Once upon a time, in a magical land where snowflakes danced and reindeer flew, there was a jolly little elf named Jingle. Jingle lived in the bustling North Pole village, where all the Christmas magic happened. One chilly evening, as the stars sparkled brightly in the night sky, Jingle received a special letter from Santa Claus. It was an urgent request for help. Santa's sleigh had a broken runner, and it needed to be fixed before Christmas Eve. With a heart full of excitement and a belly full of hot cocoa, Jingle set off on an adventure to find the enchanted candy cane forest, where the most magical candy canes grew. These candy canes had the power to mend anything. As Jingle journeyed through the snowy woods, he met a talking snowman named Frosty. Frosty was wise and kind-hearted, and he offered to guide Jingle through the forest. They giggled and sang carols as they skipped through the snow. When they arrived in the candy cane forest, the air was filled with the sweetest peppermint scent. Jingle carefully picked the most sparkling candy cane he could find. Its red and white stripes glowed with a magical light. With the magical candy cane in hand, they hurried back to the North Pole. Jingle, Frosty, and the candy cane worked together to fix the sleigh. They sprinkled candy cane dust, sang cheerful songs, and the sleigh was good as new. Santa was overjoyed and thankful for Jingle's bravery and resourcefulness. To show his gratitude, Santa invited Jingle to ride with him on Christmas Eve and deliver presents to children all around the world. Jingle's heart swelled with happiness as he joined Santa on the sleigh. He waved at the moon, zipped past the stars, and made children's dreams come true. It was the most magical Christmas ever. And from that day on, every year, Jingle became Santa's trusted helper, spreading joy and cheer to all during the holiday season. And they all lived happily and merrily ever after. The end, and Merry Christmas to all.